Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty back with another bang. Hey man, so the 7 pillars of Forex. Yo, so you're probably like, yo, Ty, you got the sheet again? Like, yo, so when I do these videos, what's cool about these videos is I always gotta have like a little sheet right here because it helps me. When I do videos, usually I have like a whiteboard behind me, so I'm able to just read off the list, you know. So let's do it like this. So like I said, 7 pillars of Forex. Let's get right into it. Yo, so number 1, cut it in half. And like, yo, what do you mean? Yo, so check it out. Just in business, or if you've been making money, or just the money game period, anytime you make $1, you should be slicing that $1 in half, period. Just because you're gonna need to re-up. You know what I'm saying? So let's say you're doing sales, or you have product on hand or something like that. Like, you make $100, you need to split that in half, and you need to put money aside so you can re-up, so you can keep making that same money. In Forex, it's a little bit different. So it's not like we have re-up money per se, but you got fucking tax money. So at the end of the day, you're gonna have to split it in half anyway, because you owe Uncle Sam. Some countries, you don't have taxes in Forex, and you guys are lucky, but hey, we're in the United States. We do have some of the highest foreign exchange taxes. All right, so like I said, number 1, cut it in half, cut it in half. Always have a game plan when it comes to, you know, moving and managing that money. The number 1 thing you need to know about being successful in the foreign exchange industry is you have to have great money management. You can have really, really good trading skills, or you could be the greatest trader with the worst money management and you never make money. All right, so number two, win in profit, trailing stop it. What's cool about number 2 is, like, see, a lot of people, you guys cut your positions too short. You don't let the winners run. Now, if you just let those trades run out and complete out, sometimes your analysis is spot on, but you may find yourself getting out of a trade too early, prematurely getting out of a trade, basically just stopping your profit before you even get a chance to run. And then when you look back at your trade, you're like, oh man, this thing has went 100 pips, this thing has went 120 pips, this thing has went 230 pips, and it's because you didn't let your trade develop. It's because you didn't let those trades run. You didn't let those trades just really cook. Let the meat cook. You know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of people, man, I don't know what type of steak you like. I've used this example before, but I don't know what type of steak you like. Me personally, the type of steak that I like and love is a well done steak. I like my food cooked. I like, even when I get fried food, even when I get baked food, I like my food and the meat's cooked all the way through. I don't like any type of blood on the meat. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys have, like, shit, the meat where you don't like to cook the meat, then that's cool. That's you, and that's a personal preference. For me personally, I like to cook my meat. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, win in profit, trailing stop it. If you use that example, it'll really, really help you, just because it's like, oh man, how long do I want my food to cook? You're not gonna take your food out before it's done. All right, so win in profit, trailing stop it. Number 3 is chess, not checkers. So what I'm talking about is like your mindset. A lot of people got this checker mentality when you come to the game. You got to play chess. At the end of the day, this game is a long-term game. It's a long-term investment of time, of money, of patience. I mean, like, the long term is you're going to have to put in years. I mean, you may master, I'm not going to say master, but you may get lucky in the early on days and just, you may figure it out early. But that doesn't mean that you're going to become a millionaire. That doesn't mean that you're going to be number 1 in the world or make, you know, X amount of dollars, because the game is chess, not checkers. Okay, so you've been profitable for your first 2 weeks. Give yourself a round of applause. Now, can you continue this on for the month? Can you continue this on for the year? Okay, now you've been profitable for a year. Now you're under something. Now you just continue doing the same thing over and over and over, producing the same results. Now, every single month will be different. Every single month will be different. You'll have some positive months. You have some months where, shit, it just won't be a good month. But that's life and that's business. So the easier it is for you to adapt to that mindset and know that that's going on, then you'll be successful in the foreign exchange market. That's one of the pillars that you need to know to just really get your mind right. If you don't have your mind right, just with anything, just success period, you will not be successful. All right, so you can't bring in all that BS from, you know, just whatever else stuff that you're doing, all those old habits that you want to bring in to this, and then try to bring the same old unsuccessful habits in. You're gonna have to become a new person. You're gonna have to read some books, read some audio development, you know what I'm saying? All type of stuff that will really get your mind right, so you'll be able to win. Get your mind right so you'll be able to pay attention, master your charts, and stay focused. All right, so number 4, patience and virtue. I've brought this example up before, so check this out. The surfer can come to the ocean every single morning. Usually they go around 4 to 6 o'clock, you know what I'm saying? That's like a good surfing time. That's when the waves are really smacking. You're like, 4 to 6 o'clock, but if people who really surf, man, they're up really early, or up in the water with the wetsuit on, just kind of waiting for the waves to come, checking the weather and stuff like that. So patience is a virtue. Sometimes you may get right inside of the ocean and no, the wave is not there, so you just got to sit on your board for a minute, and that's the thing. So bring your surfboard to the foreign exchange market and don't try to rush this process. You can't rush this process. You have to wait. At the end of the day, we make the market move, but us traders, like, we're not necessarily making the market move. It's data that's making the market move. It's other things that are making the market move, politicians, speeches, and all sorts of other worldly events. But I mean, at the end of the day, it's not us personally, okay, the market's moving. Well, Donald Trump, maybe if he tweets, but other than that, you know, yeah. So at the end of the day, you're gonna have to be patient anyway. You're gonna have to wait for price to get to your point. Wait for the trade to develop. Wait, while your trade is in, wait for that thing to really maximize itself out. So waiting is, if literally you can master waiting, you will master trading. If you can master waiting, you can master trading. Go ahead and write that one down on your notebook. I know you people be taking notes when I drop these bangers, you know what I'm saying? So write that one down for sure. All right, number 5, mind your business. Hey, like, they ain't running up, hey, but seriously, mind your business. What I mean is cut out the noise. Now, a lot of people got all this noise going on. You want to listen to the news and what the news says. You want to listen to all type of other stuff. I want to let you know that the charts will never lie. All right, the charts will never lie. Yo, shout out to me. She holding the camera right now. She stretching and shit. You know what I'm saying? Hey, but the charts will never lie. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, mind your business. Pay attention to what's right in front of you. A lot of people are not minding your business. You're not paying attention to what's in front of you. You're all over here. You're all over there. See, you get in all these different places, and it's like, hey, man, I don't really know, you know, what you're doing, but you gotta mind your business and mind the business that pays you. So you can create news type events. You can create news type of stories, news type of all type of stuff. You feel me? And get it cracking like that. Oh no, her old ass, she you know.
I don't know why she shouldn't even.
Hey, no, leave that, because her old ass knows she should have cut through the whole parking lot like she could have, but she wanted to come over here
and be nosy.
Get the fuck on with your old ass. Feel me? Now back to me doing this video. Or what security gonna say?
Nothing.
What's up, G? I was gonna do my thing.
Huh?
I was gonna do my thing.
I understand, bro, but unfortunately we can't have nobody parked over there.
Hey, but I was gonna do my thing and bounce. You think I wanna sit in front of a fucking mall all day?
I don't know, bro. I don't know what you're doing.
Nah, bro. How long? You ever seen a car like this before?
Hell yes.
Yeah, but do they usually just sit in front of malls?
A couple times.
But do they just sit in front of the mall?
Oh, sit in front now.
Nah, easy call, bro. So I'm in and out. You feel me? But do your thing, Playboy. Say up.
All right, you too.
Easy call.
Thank you. Gotta ask Cardo.
Hey, yeah. So, what was we on? Mind your business. Hey, but I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? So, mind your business, nigga, or the business that pays you. You know what I'm saying? So, number 6, cut your losses short. All right, so number 6, cutting your losses short. Number 6, the coolest part about cutting your losses short is a lot of people, you will have losing trades, but you have to get out of there early. It's a mindset. Okay, can you just get jab, take the hit, and then return back? You know what I'm saying? Can you just cut that 10 pips? Can you just cut that 20 pips? Some people let losers run because you guys think that trades will turn around. Hey, it's this one thing called the 3 stages of death. I'll go ahead and put that up in a PDF or something so you guys can look at that. You got like the hope stage. You got this one stage where you think, oh man, you know, my trade's gonna turn around. And then you got the stage where you're like, man, I really hope this thing just flips for me, and it never does. It never comes back. But usually it never comes back anyway. If it's a loser, it's a loser. So you got to learn how to let losers go. And what I mean is, like, a lot of people are prone to losing. You're like, you're losing so much that you enjoy losing. So if you can really cut those losses, if you can really cut those losses really short, I promise you'll be one of the most profitable traders. You'll cut your losses short and let your profit run. All right. So number 7, before we get up out of here, number 7 is master your greed. And a lot of you guys are greedy as fuck. I know you. I know something about you. If you're a foreign exchange trader, you're greedy. If you're a foreign exchange trader, I know something about you. You are greedy. I'm a foreign exchange trader and I'm greedy. You know what I'm saying? Shit, I'm one of the greediest kids out of Long Beach. Fuck you talking about? Big Rose racing. I'm greedy. I'm just hungry. But at the end of the day, I was able to master my greed. You know what I'm saying? They're like, what do you mean? Like, I know how to get in and hit my point and get the fuck out. if I hit my point for the week, I'll let the profits run. But once I'm hitting my point, like it's no point for me to trade for the entire week if I've hit my entire point on Monday. If I hit my entire point on Tuesday, boom, take the money and go move the money. You know what I'm saying? Number one, cut it in half, baby. Take the money and move the money. So every time you're making money, you should be moving that joint around. You feel me? But like I said, mastering your greed, you have to just master really mastering your greed is mastering you. And I mean, it's really, really hard. And I'm not gonna tell you, oh, it's simple to master your greed, because I don't know what level of greed you have. Like, you have to be comfortable with making a certain amount of money. So being comfortable is really gonna go back to just sticking to your trading plan. And really, if you can just stick to your trading plan, I promise you will be on point. So that's where you can master your greed. That's just a tool to help you master your greed. But I'm about to get up out of here, man. I know we've been chilling. I got knee on the camera. You feel me? It's your boy Ty. Hey, follow me on Instagram, Championship Balling, all of that stuff. Spotify, Tyllionaire. Literally just look that up on Spotify and all of that. We in the Rose thing. You feel me? Little daily shit. We be switching cars, and it is what it is. But it's your boy Ty, man. California living. I know everybody in quarantine and shit right now, so let me know what you guys got going on for this whole coronavirus pandemic. I know it's a lot going on, so prayers out to the families who are being affected by the coronavirus. You guys stay inside. I'm about to go get my butt inside. We just had to pop out, grab something to eat, you know what I'm saying? But I'm about to dip though. So it's your boy Ty, and I'm out. Peace.